Did you know that while you were watching this video, someone just made their first $100 online without spending a single penny or having any prior experience? And no, I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or pyramid nonsense. I'm talking about real, legitimate methods that everyday people are using right this moment to generate income from their computers or phones. Here's the thing that blows my mind. We live in an era where the barriers to making money online have never been lower, yet most people still think you need thousands of dollars in startup capital or years of technical expertise to get started. That's complete garbage, and I'm about to prove it to you. My name is not important, but what is important is that I've spent the last 3 years studying and testing every free method to make money online that exists. I've tried the good, the bad, and the downright ugly. And today, I'm going to share with you the 7 most powerful strategies that actually work for complete beginners with zero experience and zero upfront investment. But before we dive in, let me address the elephant in the room. You're probably thinking this sounds too good to be true. I get it. The internet is flooded with scammers promising overnight riches. But here's what separates legitimate opportunities from scams. Real methods require effort, consistency, and time to build. They're not magic buttons that print money while you sleep. They're actual skills and strategies that create value for others, which in turn creates income for you. Let's start with the method that surprises most people because it's hiding in plain sight. Content creation through social media platforms. Now, before you roll your eyes and think you need to be the next viral sensation, hear me out. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and even LinkedIn are actively paying creators through their monetization programs. Here's the beautiful part. You don't need millions of followers. TikTok's Creator Fund starts paying you with just 10,000 followers, but even before that, you can earn through live gifts and brand partnerships with as few as 1,000 engaged followers. Instagram Reels pays creators based on performance, not follower count. YouTube Shorts has a $1 billion creator fund that rewards engaging content regardless of your subscriber count. The key is finding your niche. Maybe you're passionate about cooking simple meals. Document your process. Love organizing spaces? Show before and after transformations. Good at explaining complex topics simply? Educational content performs incredibly well. The algorithm doesn't care if you're an expert. It cares if you're authentic and providing value. Method number 2 is something most people overlook because it seems too simple. Online surveys and microtasks. Now, I know what you're thinking. Survey sites are a waste of time. And you're partially right if you're doing it wrong. The secret is strategic platform selection and time optimization. Platforms like Swagbucks, User Testing, and Amazon Mechanical Turk offer legitimate ways to earn money for simple tasks. But here's the strategy nobody talks about. Don't just join one platform. Create accounts on 5 to 7 high-paying platforms and rotate between them. This maximizes your earning potential because each platform has daily limits, but combined, you can easily earn $50 to $100 per week working just 2 hours per day. The real money in microtasks comes from user testing, where you test websites and apps while speaking your thoughts aloud. These sessions pay $15 to $60 for 20 minutes of work. No special skills required, just the ability to navigate websites and communicate clearly. Method 3 is where things get interesting. Freelance writing for beginners. Everyone thinks you need a journalism degree or perfect grammar to make money writing online. That's absolutely false. What you need is the ability to research topics and communicate ideas clearly. Platforms like TextBroker, iWriter, and Content Gather hire complete beginners and provide training. You start with simple articles about basic topics like product descriptions or how-to guides. The pay starts low, around $10 per article, but here's the progression path. As you complete more assignments and receive positive ratings, you qualify for higher-paying projects. Within 3 months of consistent work, most writers are earning $20 to $40 per article. The beauty of this method is that it builds valuable skills while generating income. You're literally getting paid to learn and improve your communication abilities. But here's the advanced strategy. Don't stop at general content platforms. Reach out directly to small businesses in your area through Facebook groups or LinkedIn. Offer to write blog posts for their websites. Many small business owners know they need content but don't have time to create it. You can charge $25 to $50 per blog post once you have a few samples to show. Method 4 leverages something you already do every day. Online tutoring and teaching. Thanks to platforms like Preply, Cambly, and Italki, you can earn money teaching conversational English or subjects you're knowledgeable about without any teaching credentials. Conversational English tutoring is particularly powerful because native speakers are in high demand. You're not teaching grammar rules or complex literature. You're simply having conversations with people who want to practice speaking English. Sessions typically pay $10 to $20 per hour, and you set your own schedule. If English isn't your native language, don't worry. You can tutor subjects you excelled at in school. Math, science, history, or even help with homework. The platform Study Pool allows you to earn money by simply answering questions students post. Each answer can earn $5 to $50 depending on complexity. Method 5 is arbitrage, but not the kind you're thinking of. Digital product arbitrage through print-on-demand services. This method requires zero inventory, zero upfront costs, and zero shipping hassles. Here's how it works. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Teespring allow you to upload designs to products like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. When someone orders your product, the platform prints and ships it automatically. You earn the difference between the base cost and your selling price. The secret sauce is trending niches and simple designs. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Free tools like Canva provide templates, or you can use royalty-free images and add text. Focus on trending topics, holidays, or niche communities. A simple text design that says, "Dog Mom," or "Coffee Addict," can generate consistent sales. Method 6 taps into the massive virtual assistant industry. Companies worldwide need help with basic administrative tasks, and many are willing to train the right candidates. Platforms like Belay, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands hire virtual assistants for tasks like email management, data entry, and calendar scheduling. The entry-level positions start around $15 per hour, but the real opportunity is building relationships with clients. Many virtual assistants transition into higher-paying specialized roles like social media management or project coordination. The key is reliability and communication. Show up on time, follow instructions precisely, and communicate proactively. Method 7 is the secret weapon that most people never consider. Affiliate marketing through review content. This doesn't require a website or massive audience. You can start by creating honest review videos on YouTube or TikTok about products you already own and love. The strategy is choosing the right affiliate programs. Amazon Associates pays commissions on anything people buy after clicking your link, not just the product you reviewed. If someone clicks your link for a phone case review and buys a laptop, you earn commission on the laptop. Digital products through platforms like ClickBank offer even higher commissions, sometimes 50% or more. Start with products in niches you're genuinely interested in. Tech gadgets, beauty products, books, or fitness equipment. Your authenticity will come through, and authenticity drives conversions better than any sales technique. Now, here's the reality check. None of these methods will make you rich overnight. But they will provide legitimate income streams that can grow over time. The key is picking one or two methods that align with your interests and skills, then executing consistently for at least 90 days. Most people fail because they try everything at once or quit after 2 weeks when they don't see massive results. Success in online income generation comes from compound effort. Small, consistent actions compound into significant results over time. Your action plan starts right now. Pick one method from this list that resonates with you. Spend the next week researching and setting up your accounts. Then commit to working on it for just 1 hour per day for the next 30 days. Document your progress and adjust your strategy based on what you learn. The internet has democratized opportunity like never before in human history. The same tools and platforms that billionaires use to build their empires are available to you for free. The only difference is taking action. If this video provided value and opened your eyes to real possibilities, smash that like button and subscribe for more content that cuts through the noise and delivers actual strategies. Drop a comment below telling me which method you're going to try first. Your future self will thank you for starting today rather than waiting for tomorrow. I hope you found a ton of value in this video. If you're ready to dive deeper and discover how to make money without even making videos, then check out the related video below. It's like a free course, just for you. Can't wait to see you there.